Hey everyone, Sophia here for my great challenge. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am finishing William's room. We're still decluttering and kind of spring cleaning. I have to take down the sheer panels and have them washed. We're gonna do the windows, and it's a 20th wedding anniversary. Happy anniversary, babe. 20 years. Yeah, this is his t-shirt. Yeah, it will bring you to drinking for sure. So we're gonna do some spring cleaning, and for now the big dresser is gonna stay there. I really, you know, I'm gardening, I'm too tired, I really don't want to take it down. It's gonna stay here for now. Eventually it will come out. But we got to reorganize his desk and the side of his bed that has like a bunch of stuff, and then clean the window shears and clean the windows, and then the floors and the fan, and we will be done with the room. So Scott is helping by taking down the shear. Yeah, you are helping. And you're gonna put them in the wash. Don't put anything in there, and then they have to go in the dryer. They
go in the dryer?
Yeah,
after?
low.
Not before.
After, yeah. All right. So what I'm doing is his desk, and yes, Willie is helping. He's behind me. There's nothing wrong with doing that with your kid. He's got to learn. So we're gonna start with the top of the desk, Willie.
Seltzer cans.
Yeah, and they are empty, so you know what to do with those.
I'm an addict.
I know. Alright, come on. And then come back. Because all of this gotta get redone. We gotta go through. We gotta go through all the drawers.
Hey.
The Bank of Willie.
Don't show my money.
Alright, so listen. Let's talk about these. If you use them, you keep them. If you absolutely don't use them, we don't. Alright? Do you use the gel pen with the glitter and stuff?
No.
So they can go?
Yes.
All of them?
Yeah.
Excellent. Go get a big trash can. Making progress. Progress. This is a set of shelves that he has on the side of his bed, and I never liked the fact that the lamp was so high, so I figured, you know what, we made room by removing the chair. We can put that alongside the rest of the bookcases because it's part of the same series. And then Scott's infamous little dresser that I didn't know what to do with can go here, and it's going to give him 3, not 1, not 2, but 3 large drawers to hide away the mess, Willie. Okay?
I can hide my body count?
Yes, you may hide your body count. Alright, let's go through this. What do we have here? This.
Those are games.
Keep?
Yes.
What about this?
That's Edward's DS. Keep. I use it a lot.
Okay, put that on the bed. More pens. What do we do with these?
The white one, keep.
Yeah.
The
Pencils.
entirely black one with
This. What do you want to do with that?
keep.
Uh-huh.
And then those 2 also keep.
Okay, so
Keep.
put that in your drawer. How to draw comics.
Keep.
That goes in the bookshelf. Your vitamins, keep. Right? Alright, this.
That's a keychain, and it's really soft, and I like it.
Okay, so keep.
Yeah.
Alright. A glass that once had juice.
Burn it.
Eiffel Tower.
Keep.
Alright. What's this? Special offer from Ohuhu.
That's the alcohol markers.
What do you want to do with that? It's a coupon.
I.
Trash. Your mouse, keep.
Yes, that's what these keep.
Box for Pokemon Shield.
Yes, keep. Game is still inside of it.
What's this?
Math.
And
No.
trash. Random Japanese writing.
Get rid of.
Okay. Splatoon.
Keep.
Alright, put it on your bookshelf. Oh man, this. When's the last time I dusted in here?
I don't know.
Last year? It's just. I have no shame. Alright, this, keep.
Yes.
Alright, but Lego manual.
No.
Trash. Okay.
Keep.
The Prose Edda?
Norse mythology.
Norse mythology. Are you actually reading this?
I was. There was a very long introduction and only 2 myths.
So far you're on 2 myths. Okay, you like that stuff?
Yes.
What's this box? The Mining Museum.
That's from 4th grade. It's just
Alright,
box.
trash.
Yes.
Old music book.
Get rid of.
Listen, there's a whole bunch of papers in here. I'm sure none of it is relevant.
A lot of it isn't.
What about this thing here?
Well, let me
That
see.
looks like a Pokemon to me.
Keep. And this one's not a Pokemon, not gonna lie. It's one of the few good.
Some tiny little woman.
That's from a show.
You keep?
Yes. From characters from a show. Edward made that.
And?
Keep. I like it. Very well done.
Looks like this is all trash, buddy. Alright, empty it in the trash bag. Alright, mystery drawer number 2.
It's like, yeah.
Pokemon, we know where that goes.
Yep.
Random music.
Get rid of.
Gravity Falls.
Keep. Gravity Falls is good.
Gumball, Amazing World of Gumball.
Keep.
Keep. Invasion of the Overworld.
No.
So let go of it. That should have been put in yesterday's. By the way, within 2 hours, somebody came in yesterday and grabbed all 12 bags of books.
It was insane.
Uno cards.
Keep. Uno's good.
Uno's good. Maybe we'll play Uno tonight. Okay. There's some kind of Pokemon related thing.
Get rid of.
And a bunch of pens. There's a token with a dead person's face on it.
That's for Pokemon.
And?
Get rid of it.
You sure?
Yes. It's for the card game. Nobody plays the card game that much.
Post-its with random thoughts.
What does it say?
Will we have to locate important
Oh,
items?
that was for my social studies class.
Will we have to locate the 7 continents?
That was for a social studies class.
We'll keep these Ziplocs, the Post-its, and then this is trash. Okay, this goes in the bookcase. Hey, we're done. I'm waiting for the curtains. I vacuumed thoroughly. I mopped. I didn't do the windows yet because it's too hot. It's like I don't want to deal with it. The sun is glaring into it. Big excuse, I know. The fan actually doesn't need to be done. If you want to look at the fan, that was done maybe 2 weeks ago, so I don't need to do that. But I'm going to show you what the room looks like, and Willie likes it. He likes that it's streamlined and bare. It's a big difference. And even Edward saw the room and he said, yeah, I need to do that in my room too. So I'm preparing myself. We're not going to film that, but I'm preparing myself for major declutter in Edward's room. They see what it does and they appreciate it. You can tell them all you want that they have too much stuff, but once they experience what it's like to not have so much stuff, then they make the decision on their own. And there's nothing wrong with helping them with that. I'll say it again. So let me give you a quick tour and then I'll say goodbye because I have some gardening to do. So here's Willie's room as it stands today. We just have the desk that's been entirely decluttered. There's barely anything in drawers now. Just a few things here and there. Cards and money. All the pens and stuff are in here. His closet, which we did 3 videos ago, is still in good shape. This is practically empty. This is the other corner. We have the 3 bookcases minus 100-something books. And then the other one went over here, and that's fine because he can put his shoes on it now. And then we have Scott's old dresser right here, and this is where he keeps his laptop now. And that's the room. It's super clean, very organized. And he's decided on colors. He wants to do 2 different blues, a light blue and a dark blue. So we have to figure that out, and we'll do that sometimes. So we got to figure that out, and we'll do that sometimes in the summer or during the summer. Anyway, so here is the room. Very happy with the result. So that's it for today. I think that was a short video. Feeling very productive. I am ready to go and garden. Don't worry, I'll show you what I've done once it's done. And that would be it. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.